In this video, we will use the Viewshed tool on our two viewpoints layer. Search for the Viewshed tool and input our DEM as the input raster. Select the input point as our two viewpoints layer, then title the output as Viewshed. Leave the rest as is and click Run. The Viewshed tool determines the raster surface locations visible to a set of observer features, which, in this case, are our two viewpoints. Once the tool is finished, you should have a new raster with two sets of colored pixels. Zoom in and see how they relate with our viewpoints. Open the attribute table to the Viewshed layer and take a look at the fields. The first row of the value field, as represented as 0, represents areas that are not visible by either points. The second row refers to what's visible for viewpoint number 1, and the last row represents viewpoint number 2. The count field tells us how many pixels or cells are within our viewshed for each viewpoint. It can be a little confusing since there's also an object ID field as well, but just make note that the value field corresponds with each viewpoint. In the next video, we'll estimate the prime habitat for wolverines using spatial modeling.